Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today in this video we will see how to create an account on Flipboard. Also I wonder why you want to know how to create an account on Flipboard. Maybe because you have seen someone else using the Flipboard app and it really inspired you, so you also want to create an account on it. Or maybe you have heard a lot about the app, or maybe you have seen something regarding this app, so you just want to give it a try. Or it could be any other reason for you to create an account on Flipboard. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed a Flipboard app from Google Play Store or App Store. And once it gets installed, now it's time to open it. So for that, just simply tap on its icon to open the Flipboard. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. First, initially, you will see this kind of interface. After that, you just have to simply click on Get Started. This is the option. You just have to tap on it. And there on the screen, you will see multiple options. Now, what you have to do is that you have to select the topics of your interest. By doing that, Flipboard will show you to the data or content which is related to your interest. So here we have more than hundreds or maybe equal to hundreds of interest. You just have to keep selecting them. You can choose as many as possible, but at least you have to select three ones. You just have to keep exploring all the interest, like you have to read, and whatever you found interesting and whatever related to you, you just have to simply tap on this option and it will be selected. After that, you have to click on continue. By doing all that, it will take out all the contents and the stuff related to your interest and will show to you on your following pages. Once you get onto the next page, now what you have to do is you just have to simply click on continue, and again you have to click on continue. Now it's time to register yourself on Flipboard. So for that you can use any kind of email address, Apple ID, Gmail or Facebook, whatever you prefer. You just have to select on that option. After that you have to enter your email address. Now it will ask you about few things, so for that you just have to allow it by just tapping on this option, which is yes please. Also it will ask you for permission. You can either ignore it or can accept it. It's all up to you, and it will just take a while, and after that your account will be ready. So here you can see the Flipboard account has been successfully created. Now you can use it, explore it, and can do whatever you want to do on that account. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can create an account on Flipboard. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.